So I met somebody yesterday and they hooked me up with these wheels and tires, and I wanted to say thank you so very much. I've really always wanted these Steelies with that center cap. I absolutely love it. I think it's perfectly appropriate for the car. But today is the burnout day. Now these tires that we got right here, I had a hell of a hard time yesterday trying to work with tire pressure both front and back. I was using a different front and that was giving me some major problems. So me as a newbie with the whole drifting thing, I had some help, and thank God that I did, because it got embarrassing. All right, so this burnout competition is a little bit hampered because there is literally a couple inches of standing water in certain places on the track here.
Hey man, looking good, buddy. I like this thing a lot, brother.
Thank you. We're gonna see if we can later.
Hi guys, this is my buddy Roy, and he had a shop down in Fort Myers that I used to do a bunch of tuning at, and this is his current project here.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
Sick.
5 Lincoln, 5.3, 176 millimeter turbos.
Twin 76s. So nice, dude. Really looks good. Love the suicide doors. So cool. This car is a yacht. It is a very big unit.
Big heavy. This thing weighs 6,000 pounds with the 4 drivetrain in it.
Wow.
I'm not sure what it does now, but hopefully a little lighter.
Awesome, man. I can't wait to see what this thing's gonna do, dude.
Holly, Terminator X Max. Pretty much everything on it is Holly, other than the injectors this time.
I love the way this thing looks, man. All right, dude, go get him. think everything's all right. Probably just burn a plug wire right there.
Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.
Alright guys, Jeremy about to rip at the Burnout contest. Jeremy's the last one in the Burnout contest. Keep going. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Woo! Alright, they're seeing if you won.
I don't think that was enough. I don't think it was enough, but it's up to you guys. So, how many of you think that Jeremy and the Fasterproms Black and White is your winner? Oh yeah, because we need one more guy saying, hell yeah, brother, we got the real one. So how many of you think that the S10 pulled off the win?
Uh-oh, that's a close one.
That's close. Okay, one more time. How many of you think Jeremy pulled off the win? I don't know. I'm serious too, but I can't ask you.
You can't ask me.
You're not. Okay. I'm gonna go and talk to the Russian judge. See what the Russian judge says. Well, clearly they're our top two. Hold on a second.
All right, Jeremy's in the top two. You can't go over there. They're judging it. Yee!
All right, I'm going with the photographer judges.
Uh-oh.
In second place, the S10.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's Jeremy in the Fasterproms cop car. Is your Burnout?
Woo! Jeremy! Yeah! Hell yeah, Jeremy!
Thank you so
Woo!
much for staying out here for the Burnout.
Woo! Fire me up! Jeremy won the Burnout. My pants. Jeremy won the Burnout contest, folks. Hey, you won! Nice job! Hell yeah!
I learned from the best, buddy.
Hey, good job! Hey, well done, dude. What do you think? Why did it shut off?
I don't know, but it scared the crap out of me, I will say.
I thought it blew up. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, me too. I was like, oh man.
Oh, hey, good job out there. I gotta go drift.
All right, where do I go?
I don't know.
Okay, so I just saw the replay of this thing, and to be honest, it scared the crap out of me when it just shut off. And I don't know why it shut off, but thank God it just started back up. Everything was still smooth sailing. So it had a big old puff of black smoke out the back though, and that was really, really bizarre. But let's take a look at everything, make sure everything's okay. All right, so I thought I might have burned a plug or something like that. It seemed like it was a little bit missing and stuff, but oh, we got a little power steering fluid came out there. Felt a little tight. But so far everything looks pretty good. Oh, that wire right there might have a little problem. So number 2 might have a little problem, but all in all, belt's all good. We're good. Oh, belt did start to shred a little bit right there. Look at that guy. Well, guys, I'm still totally pumped that we pulled off this victory. I did not think that that was even possible. I just wanted to set out to be competitive, and wow, Uncle Sam definitely delivered. Closing thought I wanted to leave here with you guys is that I hear a lot of people talking about certain things, and they're like, oh, but I'm just one person. I can't possibly make a difference. Well, if we all had that type of mentality, nothing would ever get done. Think of dominoes for a moment here, that an entire chain reaction is based off of one domino, and it only takes one domino to stop that reaction. One person really can make a difference. Closing song right here, I wanted to recommend Redbone, and it's Come and Get Your Love. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, this is more on that Guardians of the Galaxy kick. Yeah, I'm sure you understand if you see it. It's a really goofy movie. God bless you guys. We'll see you next episode. Typical LSFest shenanigans. All right, we got like 400 people right here, and we got not one, but 2 cops right there, just waiting for somebody to make a mistake. Not enough to bait them. Time to go. Pretty girl. Go get it, Jess. Go get it. Norman, you got a little spritz.